What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to do a quick benchmarking test comparison between Realme 7 Pro and Realme 6 Pro smartphones. Both of them are actually pretty much same when it comes to hardware and software specs. As you can see here, the only difference is in terms of screen size. So we are just going to have a look at whether we are going to get any difference in terms of benchmarking test score and which device is better when it comes to performance, even though both of them got same hardware specs. So here we go. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are 3D Mark, Geekbench 5, and Antutu benchmarking. We have already performed all of these tests and we are just going to have a quick look on the test score results. So Realme 7 Pro scored 288,886 and Realme 6 Pro scored 287,667. So as you can see that both of them are pretty much same. The difference is very minute in terms of a score, but the winner is Realme 7 Pro. If we go to the individual test score result, you can see that in CPU performance of Realme 6 Pro is a bit better, and in GPU memory and UX performance of Realme 7 Pro is slightly better compared to Realme 6 Pro, but overall Realme 7 Pro scored a bit more points in Antutu benchmarking, and that's why the winner is Realme 7 Pro. Let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the 3D Mark. So this test is divided in Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme. Slingshot Extreme is divided in OpenGL and Vulkan, but on Realme 7 Pro, when we performed this test, we could get only the result for OpenGL. So this is what we are going to compare in this video. So for the Slingshot, Realme 7 Pro scored 3,573 and in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL, it scored 2,536, while Realme 6 Pro scored 3,486 in Slingshot, and in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL it scored 2,500. So in both Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme OpenGL, performance of Realme 7 Pro once again is slightly better compared to Realme 6 Pro. So once again we can consider the Realme 7 Pro is the winner in this test as well. And now it's time for the Geekbench 5. So this test is divided in CPU and compute, and CPU is once again divided in single core and multi-core. So in CPU test for single core, Realme 7 Pro scored 570 and 1779 in multi-core, while Realme 6 Pro scored 566 in single core and 1776 in multi-core. As you can see, the difference is pretty much negligible. Just 4 points more in single core and 3 points more in multi-core. But just to be fair, once again the winner is Realme 7 Pro in the CPU test. If you go to the compute, in this as well the winner is Realme 7 Pro. It scored 1245 and Realme 6 Pro scored 1200. So in all of these three tests, performance of Realme 7 Pro is slightly better compared to Realme 6 Pro. And I guess you can give the credit to the better optimized software because the hardware specs are exactly same. Same processor, same GPU, same amount of RAM, same amount of storage, and even the screen resolution is same. But the difference is in terms of screen size. But once again, the difference is pretty much negligible, and in the real life scenario, the performance is going to be quite same. You won't feel any difference, but still you can consider that Realme 7 Pro is the winner when it comes to benchmarking test score results. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.